We are now going to look at how to negate a passive sentence, but we probably need a review on what these actually are. So, firstly, there are active and there are passive sentences. An active sentence describes someone doing something like I am reading a book or Rangi is eating the cake. And a passive sentence describes something being done to someone or to something. For example, the book is being read by me or the cake is being eaten by Rangi. Now there are 3 rules related to passives. Number 1, a passive verb has a suffix or an ending. For example, the word to read is pānui and the passive form is pānui tia, and the tia part is a suffix that makes the word passive. Now there are lots of different passive suffixes or endings. There's tia, na, ngā, hia, kia, mia, ria, via, etc. Secondly, in an active sentence we mark the object with e or ki. So, kei te pānui hau I, te puka puka, I am reading the book, but this object marker does not appear in a passive sentence. We would just say, kei te pānui tia, te puka puka. The book is being read, not kei te pānui tia I, te puka puka. And thirdly, we mark the person doing the action with e. Kei te pānui tia te puka puka e, oh, the book is being read by me. Kei te kāinga te keke e Rangi, the cake is being eaten by Rangi. So how do we negate a passive sentence? Well, pretty much the same way that we would an active one. Kei te pānui hau I te puka puka, I am reading the book. Kāore o I te pānui I te puka puka, I am not reading the book. If we say this in a passive way, kei te pānui tia te puka puka e o, the book is being read by me. Kāore te puka puka I te pānui tia e o, the book is not being read by me. Kei te kai a Rangi I te keke, Rangi is eating the cake. Kāore a Rangi I te kai I te keke, Rangi is not eating the cake. And in a passive form, kei te kāinga te keke e Rangi, the cake is being eaten by Rangi, and kāore te keke I te kāinga e Rangi, the cake is not being eaten by Rangi. Being eaten by somebody else, probably the children